When needle is at the center, the needle at the center doesn't create a sound. But when I move this to the left, see, needles at the left, it creates a sound of flapping. See, the sound came from this threader. If I press it on, so I cannot use this kind of setting when needle is here. So I have to put it back. The needle's the center. But there are stitches that would require this needle to move at the left. Like if you go for the 6th one, the move is at the left. And then if you put it on the center of a small one, 0, the move is on the right. So anyway, how can this sound be remedied? How do we remedy the sound? Sorry. I absolutely love this singer. It threads easily. I just did a tester. I'm not the greatest sewer at all. And I was able to put this hem up. Look how straight that is. I'm amazed. Thank you.